Getting started. In this video, you will learn how to prepare the printer for use. Install your printer's media handling and connectivity options before proceeding to simplify your printer setup experience. Connect the power supply to the printer. Connect the power cord to the power supply. Verify the indicator is illuminated. Turn on the printer. Open the printer. Prepare your supply media. Remove the outer wrap of the media roll to prevent contamination. Place the supply media in the roll holders. Pull the end of the media out the front of the printer. Press the media down under the media guides. Close the printer. The printer will be in pause mode. Press the feed button once to exit pause mode. Press and hold the feed button until the indicator flashes twice to calibrate the printer. Tear off the excess media. Press and hold the feed button until the indicator flashes once to print a configuration report. Configuration report. Turn the printer off. With the power off, locate the USB interface connector on the rear of the printer. Connect a USB cable as shown. Refer to the setup guide to download and install Zebra setup utilities. The software will prompt you when to switch power on to complete installation.